Hi, teacher. My name is Joan Lopez. I belong to group 29. My first helicopter ride. Has the experience been good or bad with explain? I have been on helicopter once. The experience was really good. I was really excited about that, and it has been a unique experience. Where has the experience delivered? This experience was in a business trip from my home in Caucasia. With what people have you been in the experience? I was in this experience with two colleagues, one from the system area, and one from the administration area. What has impacted you from the experience? The view was amazing. I have never seen the mountains, the sky, and the landscapes in that way. Ours this trip by helicopter was 11 hours less than a trip by bus. Would you like to repeat it? I really want to like this experience again. It was amazing. It was the most exciting adventure that I have lived.